If you remember when you were first learning how to do division, you actually used a multiplication table to help you reference how many times something goes into something else. So to do this division base 4, I'm actually going to make myself a little base 4 multiplication table. Just so I can use it for my own reference as I'm doing this division. So in base 4, of course, 0 times these is 0. These times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, but base 4, that's 1, 0. 2 times 3 is 6, but base 4, that's 1, 2. Similarly, 3 times 2 is 6, which is 1, 2. And then 3 times 3 is 9, which is 2 4s and 1 more. So there is a multiplication table for base 4. So now to do this division, I want to know how many times 2 base 4 goes into 2, 1, 2 base 4. Well, I can see that 2 goes into 2 one time. Because 2 times 1 is 2. So I can write a 2 here. Sorry, I can write a 1 here. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract gives me 0. Bring down this 1. 2 is larger than 1, so I'm going to put a 0 here. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0, and bring this 2 down. Now, how many times does 2 go into 1, 2? Well, it's right here. 2 goes into 1, 2 3 times. So I put a 3 up here. 3 times 2 is 1, 2. Subtract gives me 0. So I get that 2, 1, 2 base 4 divided by 2 base 4 is 1, 0, 3 base 4. Okay, let's do another example. Here I already have made up my multiplication table base 5, so I'm just going to dive right in. I want 2, 2, 4 base 5 divided by 3 base 5. So how many times does 3 go into 2? It doesn't. How many times does 3 go into 2, 2? Well, looking here, it goes in there 4 times. 4 times 3 is 2, 2. Subtract gives me 0. Bring down my 4. Goodness. There you go. Now, how many times does 3 go into 4? Well, I know that that's once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract gives me a 1. So I get 4, 1 with a remainder of 1 base 5 when I do this division. Sorry if there was an awkward jump right there. I made a mistake on this slide, and then I went too far, and then I didn't fix it. Anyway, I need to start this last example over. So I want to take 2, 2, 6, 4 base 8 and divide it by 3, 4 base 8. Now, I could make a multiplication table. I would need all 8 of the possible multiples of 3, 4 base 8. And I could do that. It would take me a while, though. And in fact, it would take me longer than just doing this by converting these things to base 10. So that's my plan. So I've got 2, 2, 6, 4. And this is 4 times 1. 6 times 8. 2 times 8 squared. And 2 times 8 cubed. So 2 times 8 cubed is 1,024. 2 times 8 squared is 128. 6 times 8 is 48. And 4 times 1 is 4. So if I take 1,024 plus 128 plus 48 plus 4, I get 1,204 base 10. Then if I take 3, 4 base 8 and convert it to base 10, this is 3, 8s plus 4 1s. That gives me 28 base 10. So I'm going to take 1,204 divided by 28. That gives me 43. Now I want to change 43 to a number in base 8. 43 is actually really nice because it's 40 plus 3. I know that's 5 8s plus 3 more. So this is 5 3 base 8, and that's my quotient. 5 3 base 8.